Hi, my name is Miss D, and I'm a snorer. Yes, I said I snore. Now, I come from a long line of snores. It's a family trait. It's nothing I can do about it. But I'm not ashamed of it. But some of the people in my family are. Well, let me tell you, I would tear the roof off the house. You hear me? I will be in there sleeping so good, and you will be miserable. You better go to sleep before me, okay? Because there's nothing I can do about it once I'm asleep. I'm going to get my sleep, and I'm going to sleep well. I'm going to snow that roof off, and don't get a bunch of my family members together. Girl, we would tear that house down and build it back up immediately. Yes, all overnight, tearing it up. Snores. Join the crew.